tell you a quick story. A few months ago, I was sitting at my desk wondering, why is it so hard to grow a YouTube channel? I had been uploading videos, trying my best, but nothing seemed to work. I wasn't getting enough views, my watch hours were low, and I felt like giving up. Then I read something that completely shocked me. Out of over 100 million YouTube channels, only 3% ever reach 4,000 watch hours and get monetized. That number hit me hard. It felt like trying to win the lottery. But I also thought, what if I could help change that for someone else? That's why I made this video. I don't just want to talk about how to get 4,000 watch hours. I want to actually help you get there. But this video isn't for everyone. It's only for people who are serious. The ones who really want to grow, get monetized, and finally feel like their work matters. Because here's the truth. Even if you earn just $1 a day from your channel, knowing that YouTube is paying you for your effort is enough to keep you going. That one small win, it's what keeps the fire alive. Now maybe you've been creating videos for 1, 2, or even 3 years. You've put in the time, but your videos aren't getting views. You're not gaining subscribers. And your channel still isn't monetized. You're tired, frustrated, maybe even thinking about quitting. Please don't. I believe we grow stronger by helping others rise. That's why I'm going to show you 2 powerful strategies that can help you hit 4,000 watch hours fast. If you stay with me until the end, I'll even show you how to join a private group where we work together and make this happen for real. Strategy 1. Use your short videos to boost long videos. You've probably heard people talk about using YouTube Shorts, but here's a smarter way to do it. Let's say you just uploaded a long video. Maybe it's 5, 10, or even 20 minutes long. That video is important because long videos are what build watch time. Now go back to your shorts. Yes, even the old ones that are still getting views. In the description or comment section of those shorts, add a link to your new long video. It doesn't matter if the topics are exactly the same. What matters is that the short is still pulling in viewers. By linking your long video to them, you send some of that traffic where it matters most, toward building watch hours. Imagine 5 of your short videos are each getting 100 views a day. That's 500 people who might check out your long video now. If even a small percentage watches the full video, that's hours added to your total. And once YouTube sees your long video getting attention, the algorithm might start showing it to more people. This is a trick even big creators like MrBeast use. Connect the dots between your videos and guide your viewers where you want them to go. Strategy 2. Streaming your own videos. This next method can work like magic if you do it right. All you have to do is create a playlist of your long videos. Then stream that playlist from start to finish. When one video ends, the next one plays. Just let it run. Let's say your playlist is 2 hours long. If you or someone else streams it for 8 hours, that's 16 watch hours from just one device. Now imagine 10 people doing this for you. That's 160 watch hours. With 100 people, you're already over 1,000 hours in one day. Here's the catch. Don't try to do this all alone. Reach out to people who truly care about your growth. Ask your friends, family, or even fellow small creators to help stream your playlist. The goal is simple. Work together. If 500 of us helped each other for just one day, that's 500 channels hitting 4,000 watch hours within weeks. This isn't about cheating the system, it's about giving value, building a community, and supporting each other so YouTube finally notices your effort.